last day na eh. Yeah!
Thank you so much. I want to call our director, Mr. Dexter Santos.
Good evening, everybody. Our hearts are full for 45 shows in the theater that sits more than 1,500. That's easy to math. 45 shows, the audience came, the Filipino audience came. Thank you for letting theater come to your hearts. And the theater is something that we really love and we really respect. So really thank you for coming. If you see guys, the performers here, so it's just like a part of one very big machinery that actually runs and mans the show. So please allow me to call the whole parokya, barangay, barangay parokya. Starting off with our sound designer, RVD Makulangan. Our hair makeup designer, Johan De La Puente. Our light designer, Milton Rojas. Our video designers, G.A. Paliano and Joyce Garcia. Guys, that's around 400 views of video. Our costume designer, Regan Ong, represented by assistant costume designer, Hershey Tangado. Our orchestra, the Manila Philharmonic Orchestra. Our artistic director, Roberto Millar, and our conductor, Ricky Atuco. Our studio designer, Naomi Cruz. Our choreographer, Steven Diaz. Our musical director and arranger, DJ Yapo. Our playwright, Roddy Vera. And of course, our FHTC artistic directors, Michael Williams and Angela Chaco-Nulo, who's also our associate director. Please allow me to acknowledge people from the production management team, headed by Sunshine Domine, of course, Mara Garcia, of course, Maribel, of course, from our stage management team, Christian Morado, our costume team, our set team, our flight team, the hair and makeup, the OJTs from the College of St. Neil, the technical people, the marketing, the publicity, the sponsorship, our ushers, our understudies, and our callers. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the family of the Wilson Student School. Also from FHTC Entertainment and Productions Incorporated, Attorney Gina Alvarez and Ms. Ana Chua. Guys, you have witnessed a production that is highly visual and highly technical. Original Filipino works like this will never happen if you don't have companies who will champion and will support the Filipino artists in every step of the way. Ladies and gentlemen, the President and CEO of Newport World Resorts, Sir Lilo Rodriguez.
Ngalay.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. A round of applause to our director. Thank you, Michael Williams, Ron Vera, and the rest of the creative team for putting together such an out-of-this-world and yet profoundly touching story, or assembling such an amazing group of talents to bring it to life. Thank you to our cast, our musicians, and show once again that Filipino performers are truly world class. A sincere gratitude to everyone working on the team, from the production, entertainment, sales, and marketing teams, and to all those who have contributed to the staging of this musical. We are grateful to our sponsors, partners, and show buyers for supporting the show. You have helped make this run of 45 shows a financial success. To Universal Records and their managing director, Kathleen Go, our heartfelt gratitude for entrusting the music of Parokya ni Edgar with us and the all-out support that made the show successful. To Parokya ni Edgar and the genius of their music, Maraming salamat. Tito Miranda,
Ay, good sila.
the audience,
Chito!
and of course, big thanks to all of you who have joined us tonight at our last show. You and all those who have patronized the show since we opened last April 26 inspired all of us at Newport World Resorts to continue to showcase Filipino musicals. None of this would be possible without the vision, dedication, and passion for Filipino performing arts of our principal, Dr. Andrew Tan. And now, I have the honor to introduce the man who's committed to continue this vision, our chairman, Kevin Andrew L. Tan.
Hi, good evening. And
Oh my gosh.
once again, thank you to all the cast members and all the people who have made this show possible. I would also like to thank all of you for supporting Philippine Performing Arts. This closing night is a bit bittersweet. We're actually very happy because as mentioned by Nilo and Dexter, we had 45 shows and almost every show was sold out. Of course, there's also a little bit of sadness because it's the last show, and a lot of you have put your blood, sweat, and tears in this show. Some of you did not even sleep sometimes, and to get into the stage every single day, every time, and to give your 100%, it takes so much effort and it takes so much heart. And so because of that, it's a bit of, it's sad that we're closing the show. But, it's a good thing is we have already been starting to discuss a rerun. Especially the permission of Koroki Media allows us to use their music again, and of course the cast member, but we are already planning one. In the long term, I just want to say that Newport World Resorts in our group, we are here to support Philippine Performing Arts. For the past few weeks now, I have been talking about our company's vision and our company's plans of really building on this foundation. And we were talking about our long-term plans, also building what we call a theater district, a new theater district at our new West Side City, the Bay Area, where we plan to launch, among others, the Grand Opera House, which will be a theater with 2,000 seats. And beside it, we will also have several, different sized theaters. And the goal here is we want to promote all sorts of performing arts, musicals, theater, concerts, comedy, even modern dance, anything. And what we want to be is we want to be the Broadway of Asia.
Wow.
And what I can promise you is that our group will continue to build the infrastructure to be able to make all of this possible. And of course, we will continue to invest to support the creative community and the creative industry. And we want to really hone all our skills and continue to provide the proper venue for more shows like this to be able to happen and be able to launch these shows in a big way. And so with that, let me end by saying that tonight, just stay put. We are here to announce our next show. And it's I just they explained it to me. It's we're taking the music from one of the best songwriters in today's time. I don't want to preempt it because I know there's some sort of an introduction later. But again, we're very, very excited to launch this new show next summer, and we hope to see all of you. We hope to see all of you here again at Newport World Resorts. Thank you very much.
Yay!